Hi everyone, my name is Stephen Olude. Tonight I want to share with you something that is very important, both to you, to your friends, to your neighbor, and equally to your family members. But before I continue, I want you to know the situation. Of course, you are aware of the situation on ground that the globe is facing today, the COVID-19 affecting us. I want you to stay safe, stay protected, guide yourself by maintaining social distancing, by washing your hands regularly. If you don't have access to water to wash your hands time to time, have a sanitizer beside you, always in your pocket, anywhere you are going to. Sanitize your hand time to time. Peradventure you don't have, peradventure you have not sanitized your hand for the past couples of hours, quickly pick your sanitizer now, sanitize your hand just the way I am doing now, so that you can protect yourself. Sanitize your hand thoroughly. Coronavirus is real. People are dying of it. So you will not be a victim. Your family members will not be a victim. For you to stay alive, stay for your family, stay alive for your society, for your community, and equally for yourself. Sanitize regularly, wear your nose masks, maintain social distancing, avoid crowded environment. Nobody is allergic to COVID-19. So therefore, protect yourself. Protect yourself so that God will protect you. Thank you. So, come back to our tutorial of tonight. As I've said, I want to show you something that's very, very important. You have your phone with you. You can equally quickly follow me along as we put this into practice. You might have more than one contact. You might have up to 2 contacts, so that peradventure they called one person, if that one doesn't go, they can call the second person, and by the time they call virtually all the contacts you have in emergency information, you will get somebody across.
So look at this phone now. We want to add contact into the emergency information page so that it can be accessible if the phone is lost, somebody found it, and they want to call any of his family member so that he can reach the person, so that the person can come and claim his phone. This phone is locked now. Try to unlock it. Swap. What we see.
So what you are seeing here on the screen now, you see that this phone is locked, and we want to help. Now this phone now want to add emergency contact into your emergency information. The first thing you do, your phone is locked, then click on the emergency call there. Then when you click on the emergency call, at the top of the page of your phone, you will see emergency information. Now on that emergency information you are seeing there, you double click on it. The moment you double click on it, it will take you to a blank page where you see no emergency information provided, because you don't have any emergency contact here yet. So now for you to add emergency contact, you go to the pencil at the right hand corner at the top there, you double click on it. Now by the time you double click on it, it will take you to the next page. But because your phone is saved, saved now, is locked now, you need to enter the pin, the code which you use in saving your contact. The moment you enter the code, then it will take you to the next page. On the next page, the first thing you will see name, address, blood type, allergies, medications, organ donor, medical notes. Now You can decide to add all these informations to it, but if you don't mind to add all these informations to it, quickly go to your contact, click on the contact over there. But I will advise that you do what, you add all this information, like the name, you add it, address, you add it, the blood type, you add it. Of course, you should know your blood type, what you are allergic to, your medication, if you are on medication, what kind of medication are you on, organ donor, medical notes. So if after adding all those information finish, now come to your contact, click on contact, then you now see the next page, click on the add contact. It will automatically take you to your phone book where you choose the contact you want to add. Don't forget, you can add as many contacts as you want. This contact now you have just added, you see it displayed here. You can add as many contacts. It doesn't matter of click on this add contact. So when you click on this add contact, all the contacts you are adding, all of them will be added, will be saved in that place. So this is very important. Peradventure you lost your phone, somebody can access it by coming here to pick your contacts and call, or something else happen, something bad happen, which we are praying not it be, but we can't tell. Anything can happen. So if anything happened and you are unconscious, somebody can access your phone on your behalf without entering your password or the pattern you use in saving your phone. This is very important. In our next video, I'm going to show you how you can now access somebody else who is unconscious, or you find somebody's phone. Maybe you are a good Samaritan like myself, you find somebody's phone and what we call it, you need to call the person so you can access the person emergency information. So how do you get all that? Also in our next video, I'm going to show you how to do that. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you like this video, quickly click on the like and also share among your friends. Safo Studio. Thank you for watching.